personnel through conducting various FDPs on these emerging areas. It is also encouraged to conduct FDPs in diverse areas of engineering, management, art and craft, design and media, and life skill management, etc. I must mention here that Atal Academy has been included in the Book of World Records, under which 1000 online FDPs on the emerging areas have been conducted during the year 2020 and provided training to 1 lakh participants. In this regard, our Department of Production Engineering VSSUT, it has got the opportunity to conduct FDPs on two thrust areas during 2020, that is data science and 3D printing and design. During current year, that is 2021, till now more than 1000, that is 1070 to be very precise, 1070 FDPs have already been conducted by Atal and more than 1 lakh certificates have already been issued. This year, we have got the opportunity to conduct FDP on another thrust area, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is scheduled during 22nd November to 26th November 2021. So, to start the proceeding, I consider it a great honor to welcome our Professor Bansidhar Majhi sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of VSSUT, to accomplish the digital inauguration and perform the traditional lighting of the lamp. Please, sir. Please. Thank you, sir. This faculty development program on AI and ML, it aims at providing an opportunity to enhance the knowledge about the latest technologies pertaining to artificial intelligence and machine learning. This FDP would provide participants with guidelines to explore the areas of AI and ML and its application. The participants would learn to develop methods for solving problems related to diverse computational fields in different disciplines of engineering. The program aims to enable participants to learn uh, applications of AI and ML so as to empower them to offer a course on AI and ML at their respective institutions and impart the knowledge and skill in Industry 4.0 environment. So, I would like to request Professor Debadatta Mishra sir, Professor, Department of Production Engineering, VSSUT, and Dean Academics, and also the coordinator of this FDP to present the welcome address. Please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Baba. Good morning. Good morning to all of you, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, and other dignitaries. A hearty welcome to the inauguration ceremony of the Atal FTP on AIML. As we know, since the implementation of Industry 4.0, a lot of focus has been given to the cyber physical system. And the relevance of this AIML in relation to the production engineering or manufacturing engineering is that it carries the significance of Industry 4.0 and with the involvement of or making it to a smart factory or smart manufacturing. The implementation of AI and ML enhance the quality and productivity, also reduces the waste and also helps in the management of the supply chain. Now, as you know, this is AI/ML most related to data, and data is plentifully available in manufacturing scenario. Data are valuable, and also ability of data for enhancement of our optimization in manufacturing system has been given a lot of focus in this recent era. So the course is so designed that this will help the learners to implement the cyber physical system or artificial intelligence to make the factory smart. And the course involves starting from regression analysis up to deep learning, also programming in Python and LabVIEW based approach for transfer of data in real time, and so many. And the experts are from NIT Warangal, IIT Kharagpur, Kurukshetra University, and other institutes of repute. So, with this, I hope this will definitely help the participants, and I wish that you learn something and try to implement something. With this, happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Consequently, I would like to invite our own head of the Department of Production Engineering, Dr. Kamal Pal, sir, to address this inaugural meeting. Please, sir.
Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Maji, respected Dean CDC, Professor P.R. Das Sir, respected Professor Devudatta Mishra Sir, Coordinator of this FDP, and co-coordinators Dr. Mahapatra and Dr. Barik, and my dear colleagues and my dear participants, a very good morning to all of you, and I welcome you, all of you, on behalf of Production Department to this AICT Training and Learning Auto Academy sponsored 5-day online FDP on artificial intelligence and machine learning. As you know, machine learning is one of the most exciting recent technologies in artificial intelligence, through which the power of data is well understood. Manufacturing process monitoring and manufacturing process monitoring and control by acquiring several kind of data, by using several kind of sensors and analyzes those data to take the action through intelligence, through different algorithms, is highly essential for today recent advanced robotic environment. Here in this online program, the dynamics of robotic systems, modeling and control of robotic manipulator will be covered using different practical and theory sessions. I also thankful to Professor Devudatta Mishra Sir, coordinator of this FDP, for the planning and thinking of this recent essential technologies in robotic environment. I also thank to Dr. P.R. Mahapatra and Mr. B.K. Barik, co-coordinator of this FDP, for planning and organizing this kind of online platform through which experts, academicians, industrialists from reputed institutions can share their thoughts and knowledge with us during these several intellectual topics on artificial intelligence. We are highly thankful to our Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Marji, for giving his support for this program. With a short notice, he has joined here. I hope that the participants will enjoy a lot in this interdisciplinary FDP program with a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Moving forward, may I now take the opportunity to request Professor Piyush Ranjan Das, sir, Dean CTC, to say his views. Please, sir.
Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Maji, Head of the Department Dr. Kamal Pal, the coordinator of this FDP, Atal FDP, Professor Devadatta Mishra, and co-coordinator Dr. Truptiranjan Mahapatra, other faculties, my colleagues present online and offline, all the participants, resource persons. Really, I am extremely happy that the Department of Production Engineering has arranged this FDP. Continuously, they are getting effort on this FDP, and for us, this is second or third time I am just in the inauguration function. Somehow, my office or section continues Center for Distance and Continuing Education is involved in this Atal FDP, and I'm happy they have chosen such an excellent area, artificial intelligence and machine learning, because I am a researcher in material science, and this is the application part, and it will help a lot for future research and scientific development. And already we have started little bit late, so I've allotted 5 minutes, so I thought that I should reduce it to 3 minutes so that our vice chancellor, whose field also matches with artificial intelligence, so he can give a better input to this audience. Just I have to let all know that our center is involved in this QIP and ADF, doctoral fellowship. So I hope this FDP will help the participants a lot, since they have chosen a good resource persons during this 5 days program. With all wishes, I hope this will be a great success and the participants will gain a lot. And thank you again, the organizer, just they invited me to this FDP. Thank you again to all.
Thank you, sir. It is my honor to invite Professor Vanshika Mathi, sir, our honorable Vice Chancellor, to address this digital audience. Please, sir.
Very good morning to all of you. At the very outset, in fact, I welcome all of you virtually to VSSUT Burla, and I apologize for the delay. In fact, we were almost 10 minutes delay. You were all waiting for it. The coordinator, co-coordinator, my dean, CDC, my faculty colleagues, and all the dear participants. In fact, I am very delighted to see that the program is being conducted, artificial intelligence and its applications. You see this artificial intelligence and machine learning. People used to say that this is an area limited to the computer science or IT or whatever. But I'm very happy to see that the Department of Production Engineering is conducting such a wonderful program. And artificial intelligence, if you really see, or the machine learning, it is artificial intelligence is not a new terminology to none of us. In fact, when we have converted or we have passed on to the, must have seen that first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, the evolution of the computer era. The fifth generation was in fact dedicated for the artificial intelligence or intelligent systems. That is in fact starting from 2000 to 2010. So it is quite a early initiative taken by the all technologists. Earlier 4 generations were all limited to the hardware, like we have evolved from the like your different hardware systems in terms of circuits to the VLSI chips. But the 5th generation was dedicated for the artificial intelligence. And in the current era, if you see that every discipline we talk about systems which are artificially intelligent or intelligent systems. And in fact, I'm very happy to say that artificial intelligence in fact has brought the concept of bridging the all disciplines together also bridging all the problems together. In fact, when we take off any problem solutions or problem solving a problem, we talk about intelligent solutions. And when we think of intelligent solutions, artificial intelligence is immediately comes into everybody's mind. So artificial intelligence is a old terminology and we have started quite long back. But this was not taking off because the artificial intelligence needs a lot of computations, heavy computations. So as we have progressed in our computing dimensions, we have got cloud systems, we have got now parallel systems, we have got network based systems. We are able to have much more computations in the field or any problem which demands for it. And as a result, artificial intelligence has, you don't log in here. So when we the computations has been, demand is getting fulfilled, we are able to solve those problems using artificial intelligence techniques, and machine learning is further computing intensive techniques. It will be taught during the course of the program, where we need in fact a lot of computational power, and also it is much more closer to the solution which we normally predict or which normally deal with. So, as rightly pointed out by Professor Devadatta Mishra, manufacturing or production engineering is not an exception which doesn't exploit the artificial intelligence techniques. Now, people have talked about Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, but we are still progressing towards the Industry 5.0, where a lot of IoT based systems will be utilized and lot of and when we talk about IoT, we talk about uh, like we talk about the security also. They work on the internet based systems, so we need to have a lot of cyber security mechanisms so that the systems becomes much more uh, secure. And I think this 5 days workshop will definitely go much deep into those topics, and I'm very happy there are a lot of participants, and I am sure that all this 5 day session will be academically fruitful. But when I talk about any workshop or any conference or any kind of this FDPs kind of thing, it is not only a congregation of the people. Some of you already might be working in the similar track. So all of you should also very cooperatively participate so that this becomes more fruitful and you develop a bondage with respect to a group in which you can start collaborating and start working together. So that way, I wish this program to be very, very successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind blessings and encouraging words. During these 5 days of FDP, we have resource persons from various academics as well as industries like Capgemini and AICT Institute. Then we have resource persons from NIT Warangal, NIT Kurukshetra, IIT Kharagpur, as already mentioned by our coordinator. Here I would like to mention that it comprises of 14 sessions of 1 hour 30 minutes per session, and all the sessions will be conducted online in Google Meet platform. There will be question answer with experts towards the end of the each session, and attendance will be recorded through Google Meet attendance, and there will not be any separate uh, uh, attendance sheet or link that will be provided to the participants. So you have to attend all the sessions. Then the e-certificate shall be issued by Atal Academy. It will not be issued by us. It will be directly issued by Atal Academy, and the certificate will be issued to the participants. Those have attended 80% of the attendance, that will be updating in the portal itself, and also securing 60% in a test which will be conducted at the end of the FDP. So I would like to request all the participants to seriously attend the FDP and each sessions. Also, I would like to mention here that we received 178 applications and 117 participants. They have confirmed their participation. So, I request all the participants to attend the sessions regularly. Now, on behalf of Department of Production Engineering, I would like to request my colleague, Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik sir, to propose the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
A very good morning to all the members of today's gathering in this inaugural session of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsor 5 days online faculty development program on artificial intelligence and machine learning to be held from today. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik, on behalf of Production Engineering Department, BSSUT Bulla, the entire gathering present here, another side of this video, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, BSSUT Bulla, respected Professor Vansidhar Maji sir, for his kind approval of this program, gracing the occasion with his kind presence and sharing with us your valuable opinion. I would like to express our deep sense of gratitude to Professor Piyush Ranjan Das sir, Dean CDC, BSSUT Bulla, for gracing this occasion with his encouraging words. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for our very own head of the Production Engineering Department, Dr. Kamal Pal sir, for his supports to organize this program. I would like to thank Professor Devadatta Mishra sir and Dr. Tuptiranjan Mahapatra sir, coordinators of this program, for their efforts toward initiating, planning, and support to organize this faculty development program. I must take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to all the faculty members of our department, staff members, for extending their timely help for conducting the course. Last but not the least, I would like also thank all the external as well as internal participants for showing interest towards this program. I wish the participants an interesting and productive interaction during the program. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Now, before we end this inaugural session, may I request the participants to please switch on their cameras so that we can have a photo of this particular session. So, please switch on your cameras. Thank you. Okay, so our first session, it will be taken by the coordinator, Professor Devadatta Mishra sir, and please join for the session sharp at 11 o'clock. We'll start the session at 11 a.m. Thank you.